Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for the Anfield Road Stands expansion update, and I'm starting in this corner because all this is brand new here. They're connecting the corner sections to the main stands by the looks of it. So a couple of cherry pickers up there, get a little bit higher, and that crane's very high, that one. Oh, a little bit higher and look down at it. I'm just going to stay away from that crane. I don't need to get that high. Oh, there we are, keeping me distance away from them. A little zoom in there, have a look at them. So it's matching what's going on at the other corner. You still need to get the flooring put in down there. But yeah, it's looking good. Taking shape. And there's more stuff going on the roof now, so looks like they got that issue sorted out. Last time I said there wasn't much going on building wise. All these units have gone in, which I failed to mention. But someone noticed that as I knew they'd gone in. I just thought that they reported on it before, and I assume they haven't. So yeah, all them units have gone in. A lot more people working on site now. Got lots of the banging and drilling and stuff going on. So yeah, there's plenty going on. So I'll get up off the roof. The paneling on the roof's looking a lot neater now. Let's get down this side first. So they still need to do this side, what they're doing on that side. But yeah, plenty going on there. So I'll get across the roof, then I'll have a look from the ground side, you know, from the copway looking in, and get some comments. Nice little flyover here. Go nice and slow. I don't look as though there's anyone up there. Plank of wood there for people to, well, more of a bridge in it. People to get onto the roof. Yeah. Let's get this side and have a look at what. Make sure I'm above everything. Let's have a look down at them there. So I can't exactly see what they're doing from here, but yeah, they're working away. They're obviously secure and everything. Okay. Let's reverse and I'll get to some comments. What's that down there on the pitch? There's someone mowing the pitch. Don't know what them white things are. Just to jump in on this one, where them white markings are on the pitch in the corner, it turns out that Liam Smith was down there somewhere getting his photograph taken this morning after his win against Chris Eubank Jr. at the weekend. So here's a picture, and yeah, well done to Liam, local lads round by where I live. Well done. Back to the video. So anyway, comments wise, more confusion about the Liverpool City region. Someone said I mentioned Halton in there, and in the last video I didn't mention Halton because I know Halton's not part of, you know, it's not part of Merseyside. Other people said that dialing codes changed, but they're still part of Merseyside as well, which yeah, I think if it's not 0151, sorry, going back to the 1990s here, 051. Yeah, if it's not 0151, then it's not I don't class it as Merseyside, but yeah. But apparently it is. What else was there? Yeah, so someone said about the safe standing in the car. So let me spin round to the cop. Let's jump over the cop. When I said about someone said why don't they have the removable seating like they have at Dortmund's, and I said, well, it isn't safe to have it. And someone's comment saying, well, why isn't it safe? Dortmund have had no problems. It's the logistics of it. If safe standing does come in, it'll be a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you take a seat out, there's only going to be one person standing there anyway. Whereas Dortmund do it to increase capacity, which that's not going to come to effect in the UK. I can't see it. Logistically, the concourses are only designed to have that many people. So say if you've got a 12,500 seater stand, the concourses are only set out to have 12,500 people in there. If you take out, say, one seat, I want to try and get 3 or 4 people in there, then you're looking at over 40,000 people on the concourses, which again, that isn't safe, so that's not going to happen. So get back over, look around here. Someone else said about how they can see Anfield and the skyline when they're driving around the city. That's right, you can see Anfield. You can see Anfield from, you know, a lot of places in North Liverpool. Probably from anywhere in North Liverpool you can see Anfield. That's because Anfield's on a hill. Simple as that. But whatever direction you come from, unless you come from Breck Roads, you come down a slight incline. But anywhere else, you're coming uphill and it's quite a steep hill. So that's why you can see Anfield from pretty much anywhere. It isn't just the size of the ground, you know. It's not. It's big, but it's not that big to see from anywhere. It's because it's on a hill. Oh, I'm trying to get a bit of distance to give you some perspective, but you can't see from the air, like, you know, you can't see it dipping down. But if you go from Anfield to, even to Goodson there, it's not far, but that's, you go through Stanley Park, you're going downhill to get there. And then if you're going towards Kirkdale, you're going down more of a hill. So it's all uphill if you're walking here. So down that way toward Bootle and Lidland, you can see there's a Tesco in Lidland, and it's miles away, but you can see Anfield clearly from that Tesco when you come up the car park. So it's just to give you a little bit of perspective of how much you can see Anfield. So let's get a little bit more over. Oh yeah, you see the big crawler crane that's on the deck now there. So what's going on with that? I don't know. Will it be going down to Bramley Moor? If anyone knows, let me know, because I haven't got a clue. I can't give you any information on it. That comes down the day after I've done my last video, that. But it wasn't worth coming up just to say, yeah, look at this, there's a crane on the floor. So getting a little bit round here, we'll do a little scan down and fly over. Make sure to avoid that crane at the end. Yeah, there's nowhere near it. So I'll move over a little touch more. Yeah, you can't see a lot of people, but there's plenty of work going on. You can hear it. The most noise is coming from these cherry pickers here, or cranes, whatever you call them these days. Most noise is coming from them. And there you go. So yeah, that's about it for this. Any more comments that you want to know, let me know. I'll address them in the next video. Oh sorry, you know what? No, I'm going to The reason why I didn't mention it in the last video is because I don't think I can see it. Someone wanted to have a look at the media part and the Kenny stand, but I'm not dropping down low enough. Yeah, you can't see it. I'd have to like drop down into the ground, and I'm not going to do that. It's intrusive of the ground. You can lose signal, and yeah, it's basically under that roof there. But I'm not going to drop down far enough. Yeah, it's intrusive of the ground and people down there. As I want to keep a good relationship with the club. Okay, so yeah, but that's where it is anyway. So anyway, I'll have a little scan around City, and I'll leave it there. And anyone, as I say, got any comments, let me know. If you like the video, give it a like, and I'll speak to you all on the next one. I'll tell you what, there's a little shot of Brownlee Moor there as well. But yeah, I'll speak to you all on the next one. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon.